Gold DeFi is forming a bullish consolidation pattern sa 4-hour time frame. Ito po 'yon, ano. Looks like a flag, no, bull flag. Right? We are trading above our makunat level na 5,100, pero ito pong bullish consolidation niya needs to break by today or at least hanggang bukas. Okay? Bakit po? Kasi ayaw nating tumagal yung consolidation niya dito sa loob. Otherwise, kasi habang humahaba po yan, posible tayong mag-Bart Simpson next week. So it needs to break out today or tomorrow. If babasag po sa taas, sa 4-hour chart, ang next target natin, probably we can reach the 5,385 level. Ito po yan sa 4-hour time frame. And kung sa baba naman babasag, sasaluhin muna tayo ng support natin, yung SR flip area natin na 5-1 area. And then, ang next, kung bibigay yung 5-1, we might see Gold DeFi pabalik ng 4,980 level. Ito pong area na to. Now, before natin tignan yung 4,852. So, we're gonna take a look at gold level by level. For now, we want to focus dito sa loob ng box na nagbo-bullish consolidation. Alright. So, how do you trade this? Using our TPI trading system, simple lang naman. Buy sa loob ng box pag nasa lower portion po nito. Yan po, may mga buy signal tayo. Or if you can find yung buy the dip setup natin, ano, minsan may lalabas po yan. Pero since consolidating ito on a tight range, medyo mahirap maghanap ng buy the dip. So you may want to scalp this sa loob lang nitong box. So pag nasa ilalim ng box, you want to enter a buy position and then stop buying kapag ka nandito na po, malapit na sa resistance or yung 5,230